welcome to this new WooRewards tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to install WooRewards Pro on your website. First, we need to have WooRewards standard on a website. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do it by installing the version available at wordpress.org or by using the zip file you received as a link with your order's email. You will also need a WooRewards Pro license. You can obtain it on our website by clicking the link on the description below. When you have those two elements, it's time to install the Pro version. Go to your WooRewards administration and click on the Activated Your License button in the top right corner. On the new window, paste your license key in the license field and click on Activate. If your license key is accepted, you will get the message WooRewards is now activated. Now that WooRewards is activated, you can install the Pro version by clicking the Install Pro Version Now button. Wait for the process to complete and you will get the following message: Plugin updated successfully, and then Plugin reactivated successfully. The installation process is now complete. You can go back to your WooRewards administration. You now have access to all the features of WooRewards Pro. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.